Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention one more feature that pairs beautifully with rules, and most people have also never used, and it's called quick steps. That where rules are automatic, they fire without you doing anything. Quick steps are one-click actions you can define for things you do repeatedly and manually. Think of them as shortcuts for your most common email decisions. Here's an example. You often receive emails from clients that you need to move to their folder and mark as read at the same time. Without quick steps, that's 2 or 3 clicks and a drag. With quick steps, it's one click. You define it once, move to this folder, mark it as read, and flag it for follow-up. And then a single click on any email executes all 3 of those instantly. Another popular quick step, forward to your assistant with a standard note attached. Reply to the sender with a pre-written template you use frequently. Move and categorize in one action, or archive and mark read simultaneously. Anything you find yourself doing repeatedly with your hands that could be replaced by one click, that's a candidate for quick step. So rules and quick steps work together to give you automation for the predictable and speed for the deliberate. They complement each other perfectly. All right. Your email is not the problem. Your relationship with your email might be. And rules are one of the most direct ways to reshape that relationship without changing your behavior, your tools, or your team. You are simply telling Outlook to make the decisions you've already made automatically every time. Here's your action for this week. Set up one rule, just one. If the CC folder rule resonated with you, start there. So create the folder, pin it, build the rule, and let it run for a week. See what your inbox looks like when the CC emails stop landing in front of it. If one of the other rules we talked about is more relevant to your situation, newsletter rule, which everybody, the VIP alert rule, the project folder rule, so pick that one. The specific rule matters less than building the habit of using the system. Once you have one rule running and you can see what it does, the next one will be obvious, and the one after that. And before long, you'll have built a system that reflects how you actually work. And your inbox will stop feeling like something that happens to you and start feeling like something you designed. Now, if you want to go deeper on building workflows that actually stick, whether it's email, calendar, Teams, all of it, that's exactly the kind of stuff that I write about in videos that I make. I do all kinds of how-tos, right? And I help people on that stuff. Whole bunches of books on it over at olympusacademypress.com or Olympus Academy for video courses on teaching about that kind of stuff. Depends on the format you like, but that's where I put all the how-tos. I didn't go into the how-tos here. This is more the system level. But if your organization needs help thinking through its broader 365 setup, not just email rules, but 365 setup, governance, cloud strategy, how all the tools fit together, security, that's the conversation I have all the time over at AuditSolve. So contact us over there and we can take care of you. Now, everything I talked about is over at beyondthefeature.com.